Hi, today we will be reviewing the Launch C-Reader 7 Plus. This is the one I just bought recently and had a little time to play with. I'm going to show you what we got. Okay, so here's the package. Let me open it up here. Okay. So we have the main unit. User manual, USB cable, connection cable for the car, and the TF card reader. Okay, so this unit doesn't have a battery built in. We're going to need to connect it to the computer so the screen opens up, turns on, and you can see what's going on with it. And we'll use the manual for doing the install of some updates. The launch unit needs to be updated and registered before you can use it, so that's why we want to use this cable and install the update from the website to have all the latest data and to activate the unit. And I should remind you what this seller put on the description, which is it's compatible with Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and 10 Enterprise editions only. If you have the standard edition of Windows 8 or Windows 10, it's not compatible right now, so make sure you have the correct version of Windows when you do the install of the updates. And then, if by chance you have a Chinese menu when you turn it on, you shouldn't, you should have English. But if you have a Chinese menu, you can contact the seller and they will help you to push the buttons to change the language, and then you'll be good to go. So give me just a minute. I'm going to go over to the computer and do the install for you based on the quick start guide. So see you in a minute. Okay, step one in the quick start guide is to go to the website to download the updating software. The website shown in the quick start guide is mycar.x431.com/blah blah 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 blah. You can type, and here it is. As you can see, I've come to the page already, and then here it is. I've already downloaded it, but you download, click the exe file, and then here you go. So there's multiple setup languages, as you can see, but I of course picked English. Alright, now the product serial number is the serial number with like the barcode on the back of the device, and I'm entering it now. Now you click the update button. Okay, so here it asks your email address and the register code. The email address, whatever your normal email address is. The register code, I will show you in a minute, you will find from the device itself. There's actually 3 steps to that. For us, we're entering it now, and I will show you in a minute how we found this information. It's already inside the unit in one menus. Alright, here we are at step 5, finding the registration code. So there's a menu here. We will go to Help on step 6. Now we will go to Tool Information, step 7. And here we can see the tool's registration code as in step 8. Now you can write this registration code down or keep the unit open and input it into the computer as needed. Okay, so here we're registering the device, and you can see product registration success. Now you need to keep this information if you need support from the factory, so make a screen capture or write it down for reference. Hey, hold on a second. I'm writing something down so I don't lose it.
Okay, so now initializing download interface. So here we can select which car brand, car models want to download to update. You can see the dates of the releases and the version numbers for each of the car brands like Honda, Chrysler, BMW, etc. And you could also click the select all and download all of them. Okay, so here we are at step 9. We're going to install the TF card from the tool into our computer.
Okay, so we're at step 9, taking the TF card out of the tool and putting it into your computer. So we have the TF card reader. Here at the bottom of the device you can see a little icon here. And here we go. So we take this TF card, put it in the TF card reader, then we can connect it to the computer to download and install the updates. So just put it here, and then we can go to the website and download the software we need.
Alright, give it a moment. It gets recognized and installs a driver. Okay, it's ready to use. So here we're going to select all these brands, but you never know what you're going to work on in the future, right? Let's download all of them. And now we're the F drive on our computer. We see it says target TF card. And the speed of your connection, this may take a little. These files are like many database files. No worry, it'll hold everything. In the quick start guide, if you look at step 11, which we'll be at in one moment, once all the files are downloaded to the TF card, we'll take it out of the computer, out of the TF card reader, and put it back into our tool to do the update.
Okay, the downloads have finished, so I'm going to take the TF card out of the computer, put it back into our tool, put it bottom side up here. Okay, and now we will connect the tool to the computer for the power. There we go. Okay. And here. Okay. Now here we go. Starting up. So it's automatically initializing, doing the update. Okay, there we go. So now if we go into settings, oops, sorry. Now if we go into diagnose and scan, there we go. You can see all the car manufacturers are now in the system ready to be scanned. And now your tool is ready for use at home or at your car shop.